Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to rename your notebooks inside of NotebookLM. I'm just going to create a new notebook here for the demonstration, and I'm just going to search the web for some random sources. So let's say I want to make a notebook about molecular docking and biology. It's going to give it a few seconds to go ahead and grab some sources from the web. So here it is. I'm just going to go ahead and click on import. And usually when you create a new untitled notebook, NotebookLM will automatically name it for you. It's going to choose an appropriate title, but if ever you have something else in mind or follow a specific format when creating your notebooks, you can rename it manually. So as you can see, it went from untitled notebook to molecular docking principles, methodologies, and future trends in drug discovery. So the quickest way to rename an already open notebook is to just mouse over the title at the top left. As you can see, I can treat this as a text field, and I'm just going to go ahead and highlight everything, and I'm just going to call it my molecular docking reviewer. And there we go. As you can see, it's also reflected in the chat. The title of the notebook has changed. You can also edit here by clicking on this menu button at the top right of the chat window and click on Customize Notebook. Here you should be able to also edit other things such as uploading a banner for the notebook or background and setting up a custom notebook summary. By default, Gemini Notebook auto generates a summary that refreshes every time you open the notebook. So that just means that the summary for the notebook is going to change whenever you also make changes to your sources. But if you'd like to have a standardized summary or something that's already set and doesn't change, you can go ahead and turn this option on as well. So if we go back to our notebook list, we should be able to see, it says right here, molecular docking reviewer. So that's pretty much it for this video. It's pretty quick and pretty easy. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.